Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, May 15, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 3.25 points to 23.92 per contract. All in all, futures were down a little bit more right around 5:30 in the morning, and they've started to come back up. We'll see what this market has in store today. We really had a flat trading week last week, so we'll see what today brings. But in the meantime, we always want to focus on stocks in the news. And the first group of stocks that we're going to focus on today is going to be the cybersecurity names. It looks like the WannaCry malware virus is out there, and these cybersecurity names are catching a bid today. So let's take a look at SYMC, which is semantic, and let's get that ticker symbol in there. There we go. And you'll see the stock right now is trading at $32.81, closed at $31.01. So this is a pretty good pop for semantic. You want to give it the upside bias right now at the moment because it is an overbought equity. So just give it the upside bias to around $33.90. I don't think it gets much past there. You're going to see that's exactly where it got in a pre-market here. So $33.90 to $34 is its max upside that I could see for today. So if you own the stock, try to trail the stop loss immediately. But I couldn't go picking it, buying this one up here. So let's take a look at the other ones we have out here. Palo Alto, PANW is a ticker symbol here. And the stock right now is trading at $120.85. Excellent pop for the stock right now. We're going to give this one the upside bias to potentially $127. So again, you want to trail the stop loss on this as it is up a ton already. But Palo Alto does have some more upside today if the market could get a little bit stronger here. Two levels I'm looking at now. 125.90 is first level of resistance, and then 126.90. So you got two levels, but again, we're still quite a distance from there. So again, if you own the stock, trail it. Not sure it's going to get up to those levels that potentially can get to, but either way, you want to trail that stop loss. Let's take a look at FEYE. FEYE is another one here. Stock is trading at $15.51, closed at $14.79. This is another equity, though, that's already overbought. I'm seeing a lot of resistance around $15.65. Next up, we have CYBR. CYBR is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $50.10, closed at $48.29. Really good pop here. A lot of resistance at 53. Again, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, you got to wait on pattern. We'll be looking at these in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at CYBR, which is that's CyberArk there. Let's take a look at FTNT, which is Fortinet, and this one's trading at $40.31. This has a lot of resistance around $41.60, so try to run it up if you own it. If you don't own it, wait on pattern. And last but not least, if you want to trade the ETF, it's HACK. Hack is the ticker symbol there. Stock right, the ETF right now is trading at $30.84. Again, I do think there's a lot of resistance around the 31 level for this equity. So again, you had a nice pop earlier, came back, and it's settling in there. Again, all of these are a little bit overbought for my liking, but they all are trading higher on the back of the WannaCry malware virus. And again, sounds like a pretty bad overall malware virus that's out there. So we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we want to take a look at some of these upgrades and downgrades. J&J is being upgraded. This is Johnson & Johnson. Stock right now is trading at $124.67. Not a huge amount of volume, but nonetheless, it is up. And again, when I look at this, if it can get a little bit higher, you got some resistance around the 126 level and then really 128. But today, it's still got a little bit higher to climb before we know if it's going to really make its way to those levels. Starbucks is another leading name. The coffee chain is being upgraded today. Right now, the stock's trading at $60.47, closed at $59.93. I don't think there's a whole lot more upside in Starbucks, unfortunately. I do think it's overbought here at these levels. But again, we'll see how it plays out, and we'll look for pattern once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat. Let's take a look at Cisco Systems. CSCO is a ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $34.03. And again, this closed at $33.45, and this is on the back of an upgrade as well. So we got lots of upgrades out here. We got the big global virus that seems to be really taking front and center stage, and we'll see how it plays out. Now, a couple stocks we're looking at here that are down. One is Tesla, and TSLA is the ticker symbol, as you all know. So this is getting hit today. I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe Tesla received a downgrade, if I'm not mistaken. So Tesla's getting hit a little bit today. Stock closed at 324.81, trading at 318. Nothing I'm seeing that's great or terrible right here. We'd have to go lower to really get a play on it, but we'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. And you also want to take a look at SSYS. This is Stratasys. This is getting hit a little bit today as well. Closed at $29.96, 3D printer maker, now trading at $28.80. So again, pretty good little sell-off there. So we'll see how that plays out today, but I believe that's on the back of a downgrade as well. This has had a tremendous move, and again, it was just an overbought condition. So I actually agree with the downgrade on Stratasys today. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see where it goes. As for that, we have gold up $8 today. Gold catching a pretty solid bid, and this is a really, really nice move on gold. Looks to be on the back of a weaker U.S. dollar index. You can take a look at the dollar really getting hit hard today. And if you're an InTheMoneyStocks member, no shocker on the dollar going down here. Crude oil is soaring today. Crude is up $1.70, trading at $49.54. So if you're looking at crude oil today, it is really soaring and roaring, trading at $49.50 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, what you're going to see here is it is trading at $10.30, closed at $9.95. That's a big move for the USO this morning, which is a good, solid oil ETF for those of you that want to trade crude oil and don't have a crude oil futures contract platform. So again, nice little move there for crude oil. Great move for gold today, and we'll see where this market goes and where it brings us. But right now, we do have the futures higher by 3 3/4 points. So again, we're going to respect these markets, and we're going to see what the market brings. Just so everybody knows, last week we had a banner week in the intraday stock chat room. Just a banner trading week. We had winners galore, and again, we're going to look to do that once again this week. So this is options expiration this coming Friday. We should get a fair amount of volatility, at least in a lot of individual names. So again, options X will be on the 19th, and we have all week to get some good action. We still have earnings coming out, and we have options X should make for a very, very good market going forward. With that being said, everybody, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see what it's all about. And again, come alongside and trade right with us. You'll see everything that we're doing each and every day. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we'll see you on the charts.